If you're seeing a low voltage battery warning in your Tesla, this message indicates a critical issue that requires immediate attention. Understanding what this warning means can prevent your vehicle from becoming completely inoperable. Tesla vehicles use a dual battery system. While the large high voltage battery pack powers the motors and main systems, a separate 12-volt battery handles all the auxiliary functions that keep your car operational. The 12-volt battery powers critical auxiliary systems including door handles and locks, the infotainment system, climate control when parked, safety systems and airbags, and the charging port mechanisms. When this battery fails, these essential functions stop working. The 12-volt battery typically lasts between 3 to 5 years under normal conditions. However, several factors can significantly shorten its lifespan, including temperature extremes, infrequent driving, and parasitic electrical drain from malfunctioning components. Tesla's advanced software includes predictive analytics that can forecast battery degradation up to 30 days in advance. The warning typically appears when the battery voltage drops below 11.8 volts under load, or when its capacity falls below 70% of its original specification. Tesla's mobile app now provides detailed battery health information and maintenance scheduling. You can access this through the service section of the app. Ignoring the low voltage battery warning can lead to complete vehicle failure, making it impossible to unlock doors, start the car, or even access the charging port. When Tesla's low voltage battery warning appears on your dashboard, immediate action is required to prevent complete system failure. First, schedule service immediately. The warning indicates your 12-volt battery will fail within days or weeks. Second, minimize auxiliary system usage to extend remaining battery life. The 12-volt battery is located in the front compartment of Tesla vehicles. Understanding its location helps with both professional service and do-it-yourself replacement options. You have 3 replacement options. Tesla service centers charge $185 to $250. Independent shops cost $120 to $180. Do-it-yourself replacement costs $85 to $120 for the battery alone. When replacing your battery, consider upgrading to lithium-ion technology. Lithium-ion batteries offer 80 to 90% usable capacity compared to only 30 to 40% for traditional lead-acid batteries. Prevent future battery issues with these key practices. Drive your Tesla at least 3 times per week. Maintain charge levels between 20 and 80% for daily use. Park in a garage during extreme temperatures when possible. Monitor your battery's health by understanding voltage levels. A healthy 12-volt battery should maintain 11.8 volts or higher under load. Regular monitoring helps identify issues before complete failure occurs.